Good morning. Good morning. Today I try to cut grass. That is what I'm gonna try to do. That is why I wrapped up like this. It's kind of sunny, so let's see. Trying to use a tool I've never used before, and let's see if I manage. Probably not, but so this is the monstrosity I have to work with. Well, for many people it's a normal trimmer, but for me, since I have never done this, or I can't remember, I've probably tried it once, but it was already on. But what I have to do is fill up the petrol or gas with oil. Because it's a two-stroke engine, and try to make it work.